Sek, ang lumalabas po ngayon ay parang influence po siya nung gaming platform na sinasabi po ninyo. Pero may nabanggit po si Mayor, may kinalaman din po ba doon sa pagka-pressure niya sa kanyang grades, knowing na siya po
Well,
ay honor student?
Titignan namin yon kasi nga number 1 siya sa class niya as of report. So titignan namin kung anong status ng mga grades niya. You have to understand that it is barely 26 hours since it's happened. So we will go through everything. Wala kaming stones unturned, pero titignan namin na lahat ng angle na yan. Narinig rin namin yung angle na yan, but hindi namin pwede sabihin for sure kasi hindi pa namin na-interview yung teacher na may hawak ng grades niya.
Thank you, ma'am. Eden Santos from Net25.
Last one? Uli na to? Okay na? Meron pa? Oh. Okay.
Secretary
Yes.
Eden Santos po from Net25. Ito pong mga ganitong insidente ng karahasan sa mga paaralan ay parang gina-justify lang nito yung pangangailangan po ng confidential fund ng Department of Education. Sa tingin ninyo?
I have no say on that. That's a trap question eh. So, wag na natin puntahan yan. Okay. I cannot talk for the Department of Education. I am not party to what they have, kung ano meron sila. But that question is loaded and unappreciated. Okay?
Na-assume nyo lang po yan. What particular laws po yung gusto ninyo, Secretary, na ipasa po ng Kongreso aside from yung tungkol sa loose firearms?
Well, I have said it already. Number 1, all gun owners, whether armed, whether uniformed or private, should have a punitive damage or should have penalties kung may ibang gumamit ng baril nila at nakapatay. Dapat yan. It is not as simple as a car na nakabangga. Ito ay buhay na nakasalalay. So, dapat may accessory penalties yan kung may ibang gumamit ng baril nila. Dapat, number 2, we are looking at only one incident. But 98% of the incidents are loose firearms. 98%. Ang hinihingi ko sa Congress ay i-repeal na ang Robin Padilla Law at gawin ulit non-bailable ang loose firearms.
Loose firearms po yan, ano? What about po yung sinusulong Secretary na babaan po yung edad? Gawing 12? Or ano pong natin dyan?
Ano pa yan? Kailangan pag-aralan din. Kasi yung age of discernment na pinasa nila dyan, may problema rin ang PNP dyan. Kasi marami kaming nahuhuli na drug mules ay 14 and below. Dahil alam nilang hindi makukulong. So even that has to be revisited kung ano ang gagawin.
Thank you,
Pero
ma'am.
last na lang po. Pero yun pong stand po ng DILG or kayo mismo personally, dapat bang babaan na talaga yung edad?
That is a discussion we must have with Congress. Kung anong gagawin.
Thank you po.
Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Secretary, we have 3 more questions from Bea Pineza, IBC 13, Mark Macalala, DCBB, and Marlene Padiernos from DZMM.
Okay, book mo ngayon.
Sir, good morning. Ginagaya kita, sir.
Mahaba book mo ngayon.
Yes, sir.
Mahaba na. Bagay, sir.
Thank you, sir. I'm flattered. Anyway, sir, going back to the issue, no, I just wanna ask po, kasi there are some informations na medyo different siya dun sa iba't ibang statement po kasi, no. May info na nagbaril sa sarili, may info na
Yes.
nahulog sa 5th floor. Ano po ba talaga ang tunay na
Ang final
nangyari?
finding natin ay nagbaril sa sarili. Yung bata. Hindi siya tumalon. Mali yung initial report sa amin. Hindi siya tumalon. Nagbaril siya sa sarili.
Pero sir, ano ba to? Na-corner po ba siya ng mga authorities? Or
Ito, hindi. Parang hindi. Para mag-isa siyang gumawa doon. Everything happened between the span of parang 2 minutes to 3 minutes lang yan. Eh, no? Between 2 minutes lang yan eh. So, kahit yon yung reaction ng mga security guards, hindi pa sila umabot doon kung nasaan siya.
sir, last on my end, kasi may mga info din po na hindi naman daw po yung student na namatay yung target nitong
Hindi natin alam kung sino
student.
target niya talaga.
Pero tinitignan ba natin, sir, yung merong parang pagkukulang sa teachers? Kasi may mga info po na binuli at ipinahiya itong
Again,
estudyante.
we're still at the stage of investigating. Hindi pa natin alam kung nabully siya, kung grade siya. we still have to go through all the records para malaman lahat yan.
Pero isasama natin, sir, yung mga school staffs and
Yes,
such.
everyone. Pupunta kami sa Buanga bukas ng umaga ni Chief to personally oversee the investigation para makita lahat yan.
Thank you, Secretary.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Thank you, ma'am. For our last question from Marlene Padiernos, DZMM.
Sir, ako one question lang po, clarification lang. Kagaya po nung sa Tacloban, ito po bang CICL natin, meron din po ba siyang kasanayan or idea sa paghawak o paggamit ng barel?
According to the father, wala. According to the father, wala. But we will investigate all shooting ranges kung nakikita yung bahay doon. Kasi maraming shooting range doon sa vicinity ng kung saan nangyari yun. So we are investigating kung meron silang sightings ng bata yan. But according to the father, wala siyang experience.
Tapos, sir, doon po sa data natin, dalawa patay kasama si CICL. Pero may mga nasugatan po ba? Ilan po yun?
Injured, one female, 15-year-old, injured siya, sustained gunshot wound on her back. Under stable condition. One, graze lang. Yung, graze lang. Parang napaso lang yung likod niya. Yung isa naman ay 16-year-old student, male, hinimatay nung nagkakaroon ng commotion.
So, sir, yung pang kumakalat po na info na may guard daw po na namatay or nadamay,
Fake
walang
news.
ganon?
Walang ganon.
Fake news.
Walang ganon.
Thank you, sir.
So we
Thank you,
were,
sir.
ang sinasabi namin sa inyo ngayon is to give you the full picture. Kasi in the absence of a briefing like this, nauuna ang fake news eh. So just to make it clear, okay? Para klaruhin lang to. Ang tinamaan, dalawa ang namatay. Yung CICL at saka yung injured. Isang babae na Grace bullet on her back, tsaka isang hinimatay. Walang security guard na binarel. Walang teacher na binarel. Walang high-powered firearms na ginamit. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Lahat kaka-active drill lang ha, kaya it could have been worse. But again, ang hirap magsalita ng ganyan eh. Everyone is still mourning and everyone is still in shock. We are picking up the pieces of what happened. To ask us kung ano naging effect o hindi is unfair to us and unfair to the parents. Parents ng namatayan at parents ng pumatay. It is unfair to them to put them in that spotlight. So, wag natin puntahan yan. Yes, the active shooting work, the active drill work, nung pumutok yung mga baril, nag-lock yung mga according to drill. Andun yung mga police, nag-respond, pero nasa 4th floor. Before they could get to him, nagsarili na siya. So, yes, it's fair to say that everyone practiced protocols. It is fair to say that everyone who was there, yung dapat na doon, yung police na doon, security guards na doon. I just don't want to, I am filled with compassion to everyone, to the victims. Not only to those who were shot, but to the entire Ateneo community and all parents in the country. Sino bang hindi maawa dito? Everyone is now doubting. Wag ho kayong matakot. Andito po ang PNP. We will keep you safe. We will do everything. Pero kailangan ito to whole of nation approach. Kailangan namin ng Congress. Kailangan namin ng mga tao. Everyone has to learn from this experience. We don't know yet. 9mm ang ginamit niya. Outside the 40. Dalawa, 40 caliber at saka 9mm. 9mm yun sa sarili niya. Okay, thank you very much. Okay.
That concludes our press briefing on behalf of the Department of the Interior and Local